Welcome to this technical guide on the Lenovo Legion 5. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Lenovo Legion 5 won't power on, you're not alone. This issue can occur due to a variety of reasons, such as a faulty battery, a malfunctioning power adapter, or even internal hardware problems. If left unresolved, it could lead to further damage or data loss, making it essential to address the problem promptly. For this repair, you will need a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic opening tool, an anti-static wrist strap, and a replacement battery if that's the issue. To start, ensure your device is completely powered off and unplugged. Use the plastic opening tool to gently pry open the back cover, being careful not to damage the clips. Once open, locate the battery, which is typically secured by several screws. Use your Phillips screwdriver to remove these screws, taking note of where each one belongs. As you do this, make sure to disconnect the battery connector from the motherboard gently. If you notice any swelling or damage to the battery, it's time to replace it. Carefully lift the battery out and replace it with your new one, ensuring that the connector is properly aligned before reconnecting it. Be cautious not to apply too much pressure on surrounding components while removing or installing the battery. After securing the new battery with screws, replace the back cover by aligning it properly and pressing down until it clicks into place. Plug in your device and attempt to power it on. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. To prevent this issue from occurring again, ensure you regularly check the battery's health and avoid exposing your device to extreme temperatures. Keeping your software updated can also help prevent power-related issues. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.